In this video, I'm going to show you how to make fuck you money by selling services and coaching offers. I myself, before I made thousands of dollars online, I tried every possible business model you can think of. I even tried offline businesses like selling candies at school and in the neighborhood when I was in high school. And then I tried growing Instagram team pages, selling online courses or ebooks, and also dropshipping with both paid ads and organic marketing. And the harsh truth I really need you to understand is that I always lost money until I transitioned into selling services and coaching. That is when I made the most amount of money I've ever made in my entire life. And it's with this same business model I've seen the most amount of complete noobs, beginners, go from making a few $1,000s per month with a regular job to making 6, even multiple 7 figures per year. So that goes to show you the potential of this business model is insane. In fact, as we're speaking, I'm still in the process of scaling my own business because there's really no limit. But since it's probably the first time you and I meet, let me introduce myself quickly. My name is Fred, and I went from struggling financially over 5 years ago to building a profitable consulting business that made me financially free in my early 20s. So to thank you, if you watch this video until the end and you share it with a friend, when we get to 100,000 subs, I will be giving away $10,000. So like I said, before I transitioned into selling services and coaching offers, I tried Instagram team pages, dropshipping, online courses, and plenty of similar things. But my first ever successful offer was actually a service-based offer. I started off back in 2022 by helping entrepreneurs to book more sales calls with their ideal potential customers. So I was focusing entirely on the lead generation aspect, and the reason for that was simple. It's not because I was passionate about it somehow. I had always known deep down I wanted to do coaching, but at first I felt like, at least in business, I had nothing to coach other people on. Even though now looking back, I could have coached people on other things. I could have helped people to get in shape or to learn to speak English or Spanish. And oftentimes I have lots of people who come to me and they think they have no skill that they could teach to others, but that's not even true. The simple reason is we all have a passion. Maybe you're naturally good at just hearing people. Maybe you're great at health and fitness. You could always monetize that. So a lot of the time, we're actually completely oblivious to the skill or the hidden talent we have until other people point it out. But the reason why at first I decided to focus on lead generation for businesses, it's because I understood that if I mastered this skill, then no matter which business I would start later on, I would pretty much always be guaranteed to make it into a success. Because lead generation, and more precisely customer acquisition, is the heart of every business. You could have the best product, the best service, or the best coaching offer in the world. You could be a great human being, ready to help others and to make lots of money in the process. But at the same time, if you don't know how to get leads, you don't know how to get clients, you don't know how to sell properly, then you're not going to make any money, regardless of how passionate you are or regardless of how great your product would be. Because nobody actually sees how great your product is until they actually purchase it and try it. It's like, sadly enough, in the dating world, people won't know if your personality is amazing until they decide to just bypass the physical aspect. Because it's important, but it's not the only thing that matters. And so in business, very quickly what I realized is that in order to make more money in your company, it wasn't just about booking more sales calls. Even though I'm gonna be honest, it's a key element. Because if you're only booking 5 sales calls per month with not so qualified leads, then of course you won't be making much money at all. But if you were getting 5 to 10 sales calls per day with qualified leads, you would be printing cash guaranteed. Because business is simply mathematics. It's a numbers game. The more potential customers you have a conversation with, the more people are going to take you up on your offer and become paying customers. And with the way we sell services and coaching, because we charge high ticket prices, you only need a handful of customers to be able to go all in on your business and to quit your day job. Because each client typically pays you anywhere between, at the bare minimum, $1,000 to $5,000. And that's not even the upper limit. I know coaching offers that sell for close to $10,000. But in order to succeed in business, like I said, you not only need to get enough visibility for your offer, to speak to enough people about it, but you also need to have all other aspects of business dialed in. And by that what I mean is, first, you need to work on yourself on an individual level. Lots of people don't want to hear this. They want me to tell them, oh, just click on this button, and you'll be a millionaire in 90 days. But honestly, if it were that easy, I would be a deca-billionaire right now. So it's not that easy. It's not that simple. There's a reason why 99% of people fail in business. I'm never going to tell you it's easy, but what I'm going to tell you is it's much easier if you know what you're doing and you've got somebody who's been there, done that, who's helping you to do the same. It increases your chances of success significantly and it helps you to accelerate the whole process. I myself work with many mentors, people who work with me one-on-one or on a group setting, because I can't even tell you the amount of times I tried to figure everything out on my own, but then I made the same stupid mistake for months, sometimes even for years. And every month that you make the same goddamn mistake, it's literally thousands of dollars, even tens of thousands of dollars, sometimes depending on your current level, hundreds of thousands of dollars that you're currently missing out on because you're simply trying to figure everything out on your own. But when you can't move forward, it's typically because either you're too scared, you know what you need to do but you just don't do it for some reason. That's mostly what happens to beginners, even though beginners also lack key pieces of information. But regardless of which level you're at, if you don't know exactly what you need to do, or if you think you know what you need to do, but actually you're not, that is going to hold you back. And that's how I have wasted like probably close to a year of my life working on the wrong thing. And then I had a call with a mentor, and in one single call, everything changed. My income 5x'd after that. And that was a very, very big increase. And that's why nowadays, instead of simply helping business owners to book more meetings, I coach people on how to start a profitable consulting business or how to grow an existing coaching or service-based business. Because there's a lot that goes into it. You need to have the right mindset, to have the right attitude. People who overlook it never succeed in my experience. Because it requires a profound personal transformation if you actually want to go from being the version of you that makes 0 to 3K per month to being the version of you that makes 10, even 30, even $100,000 per month. You will not be the same person. You have to grow as an individual. It's non-negotiable. I am not the same person I was over 5 years ago. I'm gonna be completely raw, honest, and vulnerable with you here. 5 years ago, I was so goddamn anxious. I couldn't even leave my parents' house just to go for a walk in the neighborhood. It sounds extremely pathetic, but I'm just being honest with you here. That's how bad it was for me. So do you seriously think I would have been able to succeed, to get paid thousands of dollars per client, if I had stayed exactly as I was, too afraid to go outside for a walk in the neighborhood I grew up in because of traumatic shit that happened in my past and that made me unable to function on a day-to-day basis? Of course not, because I was also too afraid to make content, to reach out to potential customers, to do the work I needed to do to actually become successful. I was also paralyzed of taking sales meetings, and for that reason, I procrastinated working on my business for 7 months. It's 7 months of my life I wasted, and I will never get back. So please do not make the same mistake. And I mean, I kid you not when I say that. The time I had my first sales call ever, my heart was pounding so fast in my chest, I genuinely felt like I was going to have a heart attack. I'm not joking. That's how intense it was. So if I could force myself to overcome my fears, my doubts, my limiting beliefs, what makes you think you couldn't do the same? Now on that note, if you want me to help you to start a business from scratch or to grow your existing business, I invite you to check out the free video I made for you in the description below, where I'm sharing with you the step-by-step process I utilize to make over 1K per day in profit with my own consulting business. And then you can directly book a call with me or my team and we'll see if we can help you. Something I'd like to share with you is that profit matters more than revenue. I'm sure you know about dropshipping or about Amazon FBA or simply e-commerce in general. E-commerce is a great business to be in. It's a great industry for sure. It's worth so much money. It's worth trillions of dollars and the market keeps rising year after year. The problem is that while e-commerce makes huge numbers, they don't really keep much in terms of profit margins. So when you hear a dropshipping guru tell you that they make $10,000 per day, you have to ask yourself, how much is actual profit? On average, 5 to 20% at most. So out of $10,000, it's only $500 to $2,000. So if you made $10,000 per month on average with your e-commerce business, you would only keep $500 to $2,000. And then you have to pay corporate tax on top of all of that. So at the end of the month, you're left with barely anything. Whereas when you sell services or coaching offers, 95% of it is profit margins. And then when you get a team, you scale up. I mean, if you do things properly, you don't have to fall below 80% profit margins, which is insane. You can be making multiple hundreds of thousands of dollars per month, close to $500,000 per month, with over 80% profit margins in e-commerce or other types of businesses. It's literally physically impossible because costs are so high. So I don't know what you think, but I'd rather make $500,000 per month, keep 80% of it, have more peace of mind, do something I love, work with amazing customers, get paid a lot, while at the same time just being able to live my life pretty much stress-free, as opposed to making $1 million per month with an e-commerce brand, but there's so many issues and I don't really enjoy it or I'm not passionate about it. Now in the future, I do plan on maybe having an e-commerce brand, but right now I'm not worried about it because it's absolutely not a beginner-friendly business model. And even at my level, I'm not technically speaking a beginner, even though I could be considered a beginner because I haven't been in business for 10 years, but I'm still not going to do a goddamn e-commerce store right now. It's not profitable enough unless you hit huge numbers, which are extremely unrealistic for brand new beginners, which is also why the other piece of advice I'd like to give you is to actually do what you love, to do what is fun. Now don't get me wrong, because when you're just getting started, you're in survival mode, well, you're going to have to do things that are not comfortable, that are difficult. Like I told you, I had to overcome my fear of just talking to people and of conducting sales meetings. Otherwise, I would have stayed stuck in the same goddamn situation and I wouldn't be making this video today, earning thousands of dollars per customer. So a lot of the time, you will need to simply disregard your emotions, to not listen to them, because your brain will throw so many goddamn excuses at you to stop you from putting in the work. Because at first, it's a bit difficult. But honestly, if you look at it this way, if you want to make $10,000 per month with a normal job, it would take you decades to get to that point. The people who make over $10,000 per month in profit with a regular career in their 20s, you can count these people on a hand because there's really not many in the whole world. So if you wanted to make 10K per month with a regular job, a normal career, you could achieve it, but you'd be 40 to 50 years old. However, when you have a business, it's completely possible to be literally a millionaire in your 20s. Do you realize how insane this is? all of that is only possible thanks to the internet and social media. In fact, on Christmas Day, I was having this conversation with my father. I told him, do you realize how insane this is? How much money I'm able to make? I'm getting paid thousands of dollars per customer. 20 years ago, if I had wanted to do this, it would have been completely impossible. How would you have been able to start a business as a broke 20-year-old from a middle-class family over 20 years ago? That would have been impossible, because just to be able to open up the business, it required hundreds of thousands of dollars. So you needed to be pretty privileged to have access to these opportunities. So at first, when you are in survival mode, I suggest you don't focus on your feelings, on doing only what is fun. But then, as you start to make more and more money, when you reach $10,000-$20,000 per month, it's actually more money than you realize. You can do lots of things with that money even after tax. I mean, honestly, ask yourself, how much would your ideal lifestyle to be happy, not the craziest, fanciest lifestyle you can think about, but how much would you need at the bare minimum to be happy and to live a very comfortable life? So for me, when I did the math, it was 10K per month, and with taxes and everything, for me it would cost me about $13,000 per month. So it's a lot of money for sure, but it's also not a crazy huge amount of money. It's not $100,000 per month that I'm going to spend, you know? Sometimes I have people who say, oh well, you don't have a Rolex, you don't have a Gucci t-shirt. I don't give a shit about these things. The whole point of making more money is so you can be free to make your own choices, to spend money on the things that you want. I like to spend my money on things like traveling, on nice taxis, because right now I just don't even need to have a car, so I'm not going to buy a fucking car if I don't need it, just to flex on social media. It's like, who gives a F? People look at your pictures and then they forget about you. They just go right back to focusing on their own lives. So be very careful on social media to not fall for the trap of trying to flex and to please everyone, because you can't. And considering the amount of time we spend at work in a lifetime, don't you think that doing something that you're at least interested in would be much better? Because I can tell you for a fact, having known true misery, having had moments in my life, I just wanted to end it. When you felt like this, of course you want to be fucking happy, so the people who tell you don't chase happiness, I don't think you should chase it, but having it as a goal, well, it's fine. At the end of the day, the goal is to be happy, to wake up in the morning, loving your life, being proud of yourself, of what you've accomplished. That to me is happiness. It doesn't mean you'll never feel sad, or you'll never have bad moments, but overall your flat line or your everyday life is much better. Now with that being said, if you want me to help you to start or to grow your business, I invite you to check out the resources in the description below, and you can directly apply to book a call with me or my team, and we'll see if we can help you. With that being said, I'll be waiting for you on the other side.